guys, welcome back. We are going to Tropez, but we are not going with a normal car. We are going with this beauty. Three days, Tropez, and a Porsche GT4RS. That was our plan for the weekend.
Ja, die Karre gefunden.
Schwarze?
Hier ist gerade ein Stillstand. Hallo! Schaffers.
We finally arrived in Tropez.
Mit der Mikrotasche.
So guys, we arrived now in our Airbnb. It's already a day later, and today we are going to film some shots with the Porsche GT4RS. We are going on a mountain run, film everything, take you with us. So guys, we now found a cleaning station to wash the car. We tried to find one in whole Tropez, but we finally found one.
He's already cleaning the car. Schön, wie es macht.
We use the products from Flatty to clean the car. They have a big variety of cleaning products, so if you are interested, the link is in the description.
Schaumkanone, nimm den grünen Speer.
Ja, nimm den grünen Speer. Ja, nimm das. Spül, oh, da kommt schon.
So guys, we are now close to the mountains, and we are filming some nice shots here. It's absolutely amazing.
Look at that beautiful car. Damn, boy.
today, as it was already the third day, we just relaxed a little bit on the beach. We went to another beach then yesterday and had a good lunch at the beach club. Then we stayed the whole afternoon at the beach. In the evening we went to a good restaurant. Then it was already a day later, and tomorrow it's already time to go home. So guys, we are now going home after 3 days. We had 3 amazing days here in Tropez. Now we are traveling home. I will take you with me again. See you on the way home. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We had a beautiful trip, and see you next time.